Emma, and we are the Play-Doh Kids. This is the cupcake celebration from Play-Doh. Mommy, could you? Play-Doh. Yeah. This is can I have it? I love it. Don't start now. I love this thing. Now? Oh. Yes. Play-Doh. Fixed this. We have some cupcakes over here. We have this umbrella. We didn't make anything yet. We have Play-Doh. Oh, we broke this. We can make another one by using these Play-Dohs. Here's it. We're gonna put some icing. Icing. There's some icing still here, so we're going to push this. And then we're going to put it on our cupcake. We're going to fold the umbrella. Could I have some Play-Doh in here? Let's see. Do we have some icing? Ooh, we have some Play-Doh at the top. Let's take this off. Ew. Here. That's a wonderful time. If there's any leftovers, I'll take it. And after, you can't really see it. Let's try that again. Ooh, I hope we did. Oh, that's a good try. Okay, let's just put this right there. Yeah, you got much done. Let's set this up. Put the lids back on so we don't get them dried out. This is what we used for the icing. So let's keep that there. Yeah, that's pretty much. More Play-Doh. I don't know what we did. Let's see. Oh, okay. Do you want to make a hamburger? Or let's see what we do. Okay. Okay. So, oh my gosh. Got this from Toys R Us. Hey, Cushion. Oh. That's really what you're supposed to do, isn't it? Everything trying to. This is this. Oh my gosh, so that's a lot of icing. Okay, rip it now. Rip it. Yes. Okay. Where do we put it? Do you want to put it on there? Wait, we put this here. Do you want to decorate it with this? We put that there. What do you want to use this with? I'm going to put a lot of Play-Doh in here. Okay, what do you want to put the icing on? Maybe you can put it on the plate to decorate it. Yeah. And let's fix this. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? I found it. Need a lid. Found the lid. No, that's for that. But let's look behind the box. Where do you think it was? Let's look on the ground. One sec. Yes, there's a lid. There's a cupcake holder. And there's this. Let's go back. Here I am. I just found the ground. So, I found a lid. Why don't we put this and fix this? Well, we did much. More Play-Doh. Yeah, is that it? Let's fix this. So we need more Play-Doh. More Play-Doh over here. Guys, we need some icing, please. Icing, icing, icing. Anybody have icing? Dude, I want to put the icing on myself. But I want to. I need to make a steak. Trying to reach it, trying to reach it. I'm trying to reach the motor brake. How did you do that? Because of that board. Can I have some icing, please? Oh, that's not fair. Why? Fill up with these. No, don't freak it. Oh, I have some Play-Doh here. That's okay. That's a Play-Doh. Wait, I need more Play-Doh actually. So let's use some Play-Doh. And then you push it. We got this blue one done. So let's put all the cupcakes here. Okay, actually, I need that. 1 second. I want to do it myself. Wait, I need to fix another cupcake though. That's taking a long time. Here. That's all we have. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, I couldn't do it myself. Okay, I'll stop. Oh, let me save this. I need it. Let the children's laughter remind. Here, I'll fill this up for you. Let's fill this up for you. I want to. I'm going to reach it all the way to my motorbike. It can't because there's not much Play-Doh. What? What's more Play-Doh? Okay. See, I think we can make more things. Yes. 1 second, let me see. Oh, yeah. We really could make a striped fish with yellow and blue. If you don't have yellow and blue, that's not good. We can't make anything else. I'm just waiting for the ice cream. And see what it can fit it on. First, let's go. Can I have the icing? A lot of Play-Doh here. We're going to stop ready to go. Push this together. Zoom! Zoom! Wow. Let's reach it. we're opening